Hello everyone, it's Aditya here. Today is May 8th. Let's get into the video. Here we go. Tesla tells California regulator that full self-driving car may not be achieved by year end. The CEO Elon Musk had earlier said that he was confident that the car will be able to drive itself with reliability in excess of human this year. Tesla developing platform to allow car owners in China data access to launch this year. This is the first time an automaker has announced a plan to allow customers access car data in China. IBM unveils 2 nanometer chip technology for faster computing. This could be 45% faster than 7 nanometer options. IMB's new technology will likely take several years to come to the market. Ether cryptocurrency price rises to new record high at over $3,600 as investors direct focus from Bitcoin. Ether is up more than 385% this year compared with 96% for Bitcoins. Battlegrounds Mobile India. Parents console needed for under 18 players on PUBG Mobile India's new avatar. Battlegrounds Mobile India does not have a release date yet, but drafters are it will be up for pre-registration first. PUBG Mobile new avatar Battlegrounds Mobile India. See what Twitter users are saying about it. PUBG Mobile India players who were disappointed by the government ban last year have now started sharing this excitement on social media. Spotify CEO Daniel Ek plans to buy Arsenal Football Club. Ek has offered to buy the Premier League club aimed supported backlash against unpopular American owner Stan Kroenke. Healthify Me launches real-time COVID-19 vaccination slot finder with WhatsApp notification for when slots open up. The new VaccinateMe.in platform uses Cowin AIPS to help people find available vaccination slot nearby in real time. Cowin Public AIP guidelines revised makes real-time vaccination slot notification sites redundant. The new guidelines claim the appointment availability data is charged and maybe up to 30 minutes old. I felt really heavy. SpaceX astronauts described returning to Earth after 160 days in space. It was enjoyable all around, said astronaut Victor Glover. Samsung Galaxy M11 is receiving Android 11 based One UI 3.1 core update. Samsung Galaxy M11 update comes with the April 2021 Android security patch. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G support page goes live in India. It's an imminent launch. It launched in Europe in March 2021. Google Play app listing to have Apple's app store like privacy label starting next year. Google will have a new safety section in Google Play that will give transparency into how an app uses your data. Google CEO Sundar Pichai joins steering committee of Global Task Force on Pandemic Resource. Sundar Pichai joins two other Indian American CEOs of the COVID-19 response committee. Nintendo researchers switched sale during lockdown to post record pandemic profit. Nintendo broke its previous profit record in 2008 to 2009 when it was generating massive revenue driven by its WA and DS consoles. Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro with HDMI input Unix stand design teased. Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro has a slim form factor with a tubular bar at the bottom that has a swivel stand attached. Netflix could launch N Plus subscription service that offers insider access to TV shows, podcasts, and more. Netflix describes N Plus as a full online space where you can learn more about the Netflix shows which you love and anything related to them. HP Elite One 800G8 launched as world's first commercial AIO PC with AI based in noise detection. HP also launched three new HP Elite Disk 800G8 business PCs. This Indian startup has killed all work-related chat post 6 p.m. and holidays. Founder explains why. Nitin Kamath, the founder of financial service company Zerodha, explains the move on Twitter. Facebook removes Ukraine political influence for higher network. Facebook also attributes the network of political consultants associated with Ukraine politicals. Qualcomm MSM vulnerability that could give access to SMS conservation more relevant. Fixes reportedly shared with OEMs. Qualcomm said in a statement that fixes were shared with OME in December 2021. So, in December 2020. Net neutrality. US broadband industry accused in fake comments on rules. An investigation found that nearly 18 million of the over 22 million public comments that the FCC received both for and against net neutrality were fake. Windows 10 Sun Valley update finally redesigns icon from Win95 days alongside UI overhaul. Microsoft is reportedly redesigning icons from the Windows 95 era to remove outdated designs like floppy disks. Telenor's future in Myanmar put on the line due to military coup. Telenor is one of the biggest foreign investors in Myanmar. Action against UFOs. Pentagon watchdogs start probe into US defense handling on unexplained sightings. The elevation is to determine the extent to which the US Department of Defense has taken action regarding unidentified aerial phenomena. Stranger Things 4 teaser trailer gives us a glimpse of young Eleven and Dr. Brinner. India said to hold up approvals from China-made Wi-Fi modules, delaying launches. Over 80 applications by China, Korea, and US firm have been pending with the Wireless Planning and Coordination Wing. Sennheiser consumer unit to be purchased by hearing aid market Sonovo for 200 million euros. For now, the Sennheiser products Sonova will be developing and marketing can be used primarily for improving the quality of sound heard by the users. Redmi Smart TV with full HD display MediaTek T31 chipset could launch soon. Spotted in Google Play consoles listing, Redmi Smart TV lineup currently includes the Redmi Smart TV X series that offers a 65, 55 and 50-inch models. Gboard app update for Wear OS brings multi-language support, enhanced word suggestion to smartwatches. The new Gboard app has a Qwerty keyboard and gesture and voice command support. Zoom fatigue is real. Platform's CEO Eric Yuan admits he is affected by it. Yuan said once he had to attend 19 consecutive Zoom meetings last year and he got really tired of it. OnePlus to bring new theme store with Oxygen OS 12. Plan to discuss with user during Open Ears Forum on May 18. OnePlus has been organizing its Open Ears Forum (OEF) annually for the past several years, with 2020 being the first virtual event. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 price launch date tipped. It may come with S Pen support. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 price may range from $999, which is roughly around 73,000 in India, to $1,199, which is roughly around 88,000 in India. Realme V25 tipped to pack Snapdragon 768G chipset. Tenna listing suggests could be rebranded Oppo K9 5G. Realme V25 was reportedly spotted on Tenna with the model name RMX 3143. May 15 is the deadline for accepting WhatsApp's new privacy policy terms draft. A WhatsApp spokesperson said that no account will be deleted on May 5th for not accepting the policy update. That's it guys, we reached the end of the video. I hope you guys got something about the technology news from this video. Okay, let's see in the next video. Until then, thank you guys.